Ocean acidification is the chemical change of ocean water as a result of fossil fuel burning and other human activities. This decrease in pH can have detrimental effects on marine life, as well as coastal communities that rely on affected waters as a primary source of food. This is especially true in the coastal regions of Alaska. This region is especially vulnerable because commercial fisheries are crucial sources of food and income to these communities. Studies have shown that two key species to Alaskan fisheries, the red king crab and tanner crab, do not survive well in acidic environments. With continued rates of acidification in these waters, these species are likely to die out and the human communities will pay the price. In addition, the Alaskan fishing industry employs over 100,000 people, and revenue from this industry is crucial to supporting the state's economy. As key marine species continue to falter as a result of acidification, these communities will continue to face economic hardship due to the job loss within the industry and increased food prices as marine life becomes scarce. With rising levels of CO2, ocean acidification is only predicted to grow as time goes on. In regards to solutions, the NOAA urges those with political influence to acknowledge the dangers of acidic oceans and implement policies that protect marine life from a changing climate. Initiatives that reduce carbon dioxide emissions and limit human activities that have been identified as contributors, as well as providing aid to communities stricken by low income, poor nutrition, and lack of education, are among those suggested to ease the effects of this aspect of climate change.